evening.
Birthday
Ay.
ng lola ko and ate ko, guys.
Ari ang akon nga pamangkin, guys, oh. Tapos mayroon kaming ibus. Then may biko with condensed. Syempre, guys. Nang lechon manok, kaldi apritada. Then may lauya. And of course, my rice. And then my cake.
Marshmallow cake.
Marshmallow cake. Arang nablos ko nga gwapa man, no? Wow, dadamol sang cake.
Dito may marshmallow cake po tayo. Ito yung regalo ng katrabaho ni Ate Lito. Tapos ito yung binili niya. Tapos ito yung binili ng kapatid niya.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Love you.